Hi, in this KWIZ Forms training video, we'll show you how to get additional lookup data into your form. In this lead tracker new item form, we have the account lookup column and the account contact lookup column. And whenever we select an account contact, we'd like to have his email and phone displayed as read-only fields. In our case, the account contacts column is connected to a list called customer contacts. So it means that whenever I select one of these contacts, I want to retrieve the selected contact's email and phone into my form here and displayed as read-only fields. This can be done easily by using the script editor. I'm clicking the script editor menu here, and as you can see, we got many code samples for various scenarios. I'm going to select this one, get additional columns from lookup item. And when you select the script, you see this code. It always starts with a header explaining what this code sample does, and then you got the variables part. This part should be updated before the script can be used, according to your form's field names. So starting with the first variable, it's called lookup field name. This should be updated with your lookup field name. In our case, it's called account contact. But this is not the real field name. We have to go to the list and get the real field name, meaning the internal field name. So I'm going to this list for a minute. This is the list, lead tracker. And we need to find the real name of this account contact column. So I'm going to the list settings. And here I'll just select the account contact column. And you'll see here in the URL, you see this is the real field name. It's account contacts. This is the real field name, so I'm copying it. And I'm going back to my script. And I'm updating the first variable here with the real field name. The second variable that we have to update is called fields to get. These are the names of the columns that we want to retrieve from the lookup list. In our case, the lookup list is customer contacts, and we have to get the email column and the phone column, and this is also their internal name, so it's okay. Going back here, it's email and phone. And the last variable that we have to update is called fields to set. These are the column names in our form that need to these are the fields that will get the values of these lookup columns. So their names in our case is the same. It's email and phone. So we're good. I'm clicking save, and I'm reloading the form. And let's see how it works. So I'm just selecting an account and an account contact. And as you can see, these two fields are automatically updated. Next thing I want to do is make these two fields appear as read-only. Again, I'm going to go to the script editor. And this time I'm going to select another code sample. It's called set fields appear read only. Once I select it, it pastes this sample here, and as always, I'm looking for the variables that I need to update. So it's here, update the names of the fields that you want to disable. So the variable is called fields to disable, and again, this example by default shows email and phone, but you'll have, of course, to update to your field name. So I'm just clicking save, and again, I'm reloading the form. Okay, so Let's select an account and an account contact. And now I see these two fields. They're updated and they look as captions, as read-only fields. Okay, so we managed to have these two fields look as read-only fields and displaying additional lookup data from the contacts list. Last thing I'd like to do is change their styles. To do that, and we have a separate training video about it, you need to go to the style editor. And same as the JavaScript editor, we got here many samples that you can use. So I'm going to use these styles. And I'm just clicking save. And as you can see now, these two read-only fields have a different look. Okay, so we got these fields displaying additional lookup data and looking as read-only fields. For additional information, please visit the docs.quizcom.com documentation site, where you got many more examples about how to use our code samples to implement various scenarios.